Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set time on Ford Transit. First, ensure your Ford Transit's ignition is in the on position, but you don't necessarily need the engine running. Next, turn on your radio or infotainment system, as the clock settings are often integrated there. Now, look for a menu or clock button on your dashboard or radio unit to begin. Once you've found the correct button, press it to bring up the time and date display. You might need to press it repeatedly to cycle through options. Use the arrow or seek buttons, often found near the volume control, to scroll until you see set time or clock settings. Confirm your choice by pressing OK or the menu button. When you enter the time setting, the hour value will typically start flashing. Use the arrow buttons or sometimes the volume knob to increase or decrease the hour. After setting the hour, press OK or a seek button to move to the minutes and adjust them similarly. For 12-hour formats, you may need to cycle through 12 hours to change between AM and PM. To finalize your settings, press the clock or menu button again to save the adjusted time. In some models, the system will automatically save your changes if no buttons are pressed for about 30 seconds. Your Ford Transit's clock should now be accurately set. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.